Alright guys, it's a little cooler out today. So there she is, she's running. Nice and quiet. Hear it? Yeah, boy, we got some heat in here, boy. Yeah, everything's heating up, pipes are heating up. The draft door is still not opening. It should be like that. I don't know why it's not opening. Don't mess with that in the winter. I guess it's getting enough draft. But downstairs, the vents are all blowing hard. Look how they're blowing up. Look at that. They're all nice and warm too. Alright, we're ready for the winter. I fixed this one, I changed the cap on it. Capacitor. Fan's working nice now. Alright, let me shut it down before it gets too hot in here. The return is very loud. It's very sucking heat, sucking air. Forget it. This vent right here. Oh yeah. This is gonna do this whole place without a problem. Alright, thanks for watching. Just want to give you an update. Look how powerful the fan is. It's blowing those booklets of my nephew and my brother from way up there. From all the way up there. It's blowing the booklets around. Huh. This thing is going to heat this place up. Real quick, just want to show you how hard that vent is blowing. Look. It's going to heat this place in seconds. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment.